I teach you how to make this granny strip square in today's video to get this look so you can be able to make these skirts. So first off, I'll be making use of my 4.5mm hook, 2 colors of yarn. So start off by making a slip knot, chain 10. So make 10 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This tutorial is beginner friendly. So after you have made 10 chains, you skip 7 stitches and make a double crochet into the 8th chain from your hook. Yes, double crochet. The second double crochet into that same 8th chain. Make 3 double crochets into that chain space. After you're done, chain 1 and skip 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet into the last chain. This is what it will be looking like. So for the next row, you chain 4 and you turn over and place 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Pull up a loop, pull up a loop. You make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. After you're done with that, you chain 1, skip the next 3 spaces and make 3 double crochets into the next chain 4 space. Make sure you're placing 3 double crochets into each chain 1 spaces. You chain 1 and make 1 double crochet into you count 6 and you make 1 double crochet into the 7th chain. Make sure you skip 1 chain before placing 1 double crochet into the next chain, okay? So this is how your row 2 is looking like. For your row 3, chain 4, you repeat what you did in row 2. That's the pattern for this. And I told you you'll be working with 2 different colors. I'll be making 3 rows of 1 color here. I'll be making use of color red here. Just repeat what you did in row 2 and I'll meet you back in. So I'm done and I want to change my color to color black. You yarn over and change your color. Make sure you tie it so it will be secured. So I'll meet you when I'm done. So for row 4, you repeat row 2. That is just it. You repeat row 2 for row 4 and you make 2 rows of color black to attain this set in the picture. You make 2 rows of black, and when I'm done with that, I'm going to meet you at the end. So I'm done making my 2 rows of black. I changed to color red, repeating row 2 the way we did previously. So you're going to make 3 rows of color red, okay, before we start off with the decrease row. Please follow the instructions to attain exactly this pattern, okay? So I'll meet you when I'm done with my 3 rows of red. So I'm done making my 3 rows of red. I changed my color to color black. And for this is the decrease row. For the decrease row, you chain 4, turn your work. It's a bit different here. You're not going to insert 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. You skip the first chain 1 space and make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. That is what we'll be doing for the decrease part, okay? And if you get this pattern, you'll be able to do it until the end. So I'll meet you at the end when I'm done. So for the end, you chain 1 and you're not going to make chain 3 into that next chain 1 space. You skip it and just place 1 double crochet. So that is why it's going to decrease. Okay, you chain 4 and you repeat what you just did for this decrease row. This is how you'll be doing your next decrease row. So we'll be making 3 rows of black while decreasing at the sides. So I'll meet you when I'm done. So you do 3 rows of black decrease and 4 rows of red decrease. This is what your square will be looking like when you're done. So please, if you didn't get the pattern, you can rewind the video to understand the pattern well. Okay, so for the borders, just to cover up your finished work, you just make 3 double crochets into each spaces, and for the corners I made 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochet. Okay, that is what you're going to do and you get this pattern. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit the plus button for more tutorials and tips.